Follow the steps on how to change a white shirt to black in Photoshop. Let's start by opening the image. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate. Select the shirt using the Quick Selection tool. Use the polygonal lasso tool to select the details. Next, make a mask. Add hue saturation. Make sure this icon is active. Change to multiply mode. Double-click and change the lightness to -80. Next, add levels. Adjust the dark and light until it's just right. Make sure this icon is active. Now we need to remove the white lines on the edge of the shirt. Click this thumbnail, then go to Filter, Other and Maximum. Fill radius 1 pixel. Select this thumbnail, then open Properties. Set feather 1 pixel. Select these 3 layers and group them. And here is the before and after. Good luck! Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.